Waiter! Mo is there. Waiter!
Sama!
Oh, come. Please, get this my agent.
Like, you can give me life.
Life.
It's a life.
Inside life. Life goes on.
Oh, I can't get life now.
Thank you, sir. Sir, don't be angry because I'm pleading you because now you are welcome to New Heaven Hotel. Opokas New Heaven. I beg.
Okay, it's okay now.
Go now, we are
It's
doing
okay,
this.
well.
It's all for business.
Did I look like a talkative? I be parrot.
You can-
No verse.
you can-
Okay, they fix your budget.
No, it's nothing. This can't say.
You must be hearing of this place, that from Abuja.
No, I knew everywhere. You'll be seeing Tide Road. Everything is good there. Tide Road is there. Everybody companies around.
Have a drink. Have a drink.
You are highly welcome, sir. This is how we serve.
Okay,
We
thank
will
you.
respect our customer.
Thank you. Thank you.
New Heaven Hotel. Sir, see your drink.
Thank you.
Mr. Man, I think this place is nice.
Yeah.
So I should
we
open
come
it.
here for there for a lodging.
I should open it, sir.
Yes, yes. Open.
Okay.
Why are you there?
No, this.
Wow,
Make
the
the
drink is
drink
chill.
chill. The New Heaven. Life goes on.
Well, I'll come here with my white mom, so we can come here and work together. Because I see the New Heaven is very.
Okay, here is very nice.
Yeah.
Sure.
They have this.
We have been hearing here that from Abuja.
Abuja, hi! Anywhere where you dey for Nigeria, you dey Umuaka, you dey overseas, you dey Malaysia, you never come New Heaven.
My
Opokas
friend-
New Heaven Hotel.
Calm down.
You never go.
My friend have been telling me about the New Heaven, but I've been doubting. But I will see with my own eyes.
Chai! If you reach for a Kibble, come. Ask Opokas New Heaven.
Hello, sir.
See,
Yeah, for the transaction, for the transaction.
we are in it.
Hey, now.
So we have fish pond.
Yes.
Okay, calm down now.
Fish. Baba will get fish. Way long. Fish pond.
3.5
For
million.
pockets.
Okay, hello.
3.5 million.
Yeah, hello. Yeah. So, I'm the agent. Yeah, I'm the agent, yeah. So you can do the transfer of the money now, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I do have fish here.
22 million. Yeah.
We have fish, sir.
Yeah, it's 22 million.
When I was talking to you, sir, you are busy.
We are New Heaven.
Sir,
New Heaven.
Look at this
Yeah.
area now. Look this side.
Come there.
Look this side. Tell your friend, say make you know verse.
Yeah, come there. You will see us there. So we are there.
Very
Come
nice.
and
Everything
there.
is nice here.
Yeah, we have AC. You know? Yeah, everything is fine there. You can see when you come there, the environment is nice, fine, and good, man.
Okay, for how many hours will you clean this seat?
No, sir. No verse.
Okay.
See,
I'm there.
Opokas
I'm there.
staff work. We work adequate.
Hello?
We are fantastic. This man, you go school.
Hello, sir. Yes.
Okay.
3 seconds, your phone dey ring.
Yes.
3 seconds, your phone dey ring. 2 million.
Calm down.
Next one, 10 million.
Hello.
Hi, congratulations, Opokas New Heaven.
Hey, Benkase, my man. I did for the hotel you told me of. Yes, of course. The Opokas New Heaven. Hey, well, I'm hearing you.
So what are you
Oh, I
talking
leave the
about?
drink now. Leave the
No,
drink
no,
now.
sir. I dey clean your table, sir. No
Now,
verse.
now leave the drinks.
This is Opokas New Heaven. We always make customers to feel happy
You
to
can see
clean.
25 million naira in my account. So everything will be okay. So I'll give you the land. I'll give you everything you want about it. Yeah.
Now, how much is the last price? This price?
This price is amount of the money is 25 million.
Okay, it's 25 million.
Yeah, I'm the agent. Yeah. I do business with his eyes on my silver. One of Oba Autonomous Community. I could inform me.
I always
I
clean,
do
clean your
business
shoes.
with
We
them.
clean
One of
customers
them,
where they
Ambassador
stay,
Autonomous
clean.
Community.
Yeah, it's very nice, nigga.
Right? Brain balls, you know?
I told you here is very good, Alaji.
One lie. Lie. Yeah,
I thought it was only
I can never leave this place for life. I must come back here. I have reached the white man, the white woman, they come together. You know?
Yeah, in back. Mr. Man, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm sorry, sir. This is life.
I have drink, I buy drink here. This man is
I like you, my responsible. Hold him.
Sir, who you be?
Okay, hold him. Who
I hold
you
him.
be?
You be military man. You.
You're joking with me.
He said that. Do you think that you are playing? Huh? This is that you're playing.
Aye, man, I'm gonna suck me.
This is that you're
I'm
playing.
gonna suck me.
You have a drink here?
I'm gonna suck me.
Huh? You think I play yet? If I buy fish here, that's how you will chop my fish.
Focus here.
Why take care me? Why don't you go? Oh yeah,
Okay, you think you are
go down.
joking here?
Go down. This man, I buy fish, you chop my fish. I buy
I
drink,
think
you
you're
drink my
sorry.
drink.
No tell my madam.
No,
No tell my
you
madam.
have.
Okay, I think you're joking here.
You new heaven.
Huh?
No tell my madam. I don't go drink your
joking
drink again.
Eh?
I go respect my customer.
Which one is gonna catch my flow? Cause I got the vibes and I got my dough.